Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to download a report from Google Ads. First, open your browser and go to ads.google.com. Sign in with the Google account that has access to your Google Ads account. After you log in, you will see your main dashboard. At the top of the screen, click on the campaigns icon. From the menu that appears, select Insights and Reports. Then click on Report Editor. This will open the report editor where you can build or access detailed reports. Now you need to select the type of report you want. You can choose a predefined report such as a campaign report or a keyword report. These are ready to use and already include common metrics. If you need something specific, you can also create a custom report. Select the report type that fits your needs. Once the report opens, take a moment to review the data. At the top of the page, you can adjust the date range to match the time period you want to analyze. You can also customize the data by adding or removing columns. When you are ready to download the report, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click the download icon. A menu will appear where you can choose your preferred format, such as CSV, Excel file, or PDF. Select the format you want and save the file to your computer. Your report is now downloaded and ready to use. Thanks for watching.